Let's learn what is ambush marketing. Ambush marketing is a term which was first coined by marketing guru Jerry Welsh. It broadly refers to a situation in which a company or product seeks to ride on the publicity value of a major event without having contributed to the financing of the event through sponsorship. It is typically targeted at major sporting events, like the Olympic Games or the World Cups in various games, and is a strategy adopted by rivals of the official sponsors. What forms does ambush marketing typically take? In its more crude forms, ambush marketing could involve unauthorized use of logos or designs associated with the event. More often, however, ambush marketing involves more subtle forms of confusing or misleading the public about who are actually sponsoring the event. So that's all about ambush marketing. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.